Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two things. KWGT and the Pro key are installed, and lock screen widgets are enabled. Next, open KWGT and create a new preset sized for the lock area, because widget dimensions must match the lock screen. Once created, grant any overlay and battery optimization exceptions. Without them, the widget may not update. Now add a blank KWGT widget to your home, resize to the target dimensions, and tap to edit so you can build the lock screen layout. You now design the widget. Add time, text, image layers, and any progress bars you need, because the lock screen should be minimal yet informative. Use globals for colors and fonts so adjustments apply across elements. This saves time when switching themes. Make sure to set the update interval appropriately and assign touch actions that either unlock or open an app. Once done, preview at the intended size, tweak scaling, and export the preset so it's repeatable and easy to restore. You deploy by assigning the exported preset to the KWGT widget that sits on the lock screen or AOD. Open your lock screen app or system widget picker and choose the KWGT instance. If the widget fails to appear or update, make sure battery optimization is off for KWGT, overlays are allowed, and the lock screen app has widget permission. If things still go wrong, revert to a backup preset or simplify the layout. Complex scripts and heavy images often cause slow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.